today. Yeah, day two. Yeah, but
It's also a bit in your head. It's like this
Yeah.
wine. People go like, "Oh, this wine costs $500." It's just in your head.
I had a bit the same with the steak yesterday.
Yeah,
Actually,
steak wasn't that good, to be honest.
it was nice, but it was. Yeah.
Yeah. I can see the lake.
Hello everyone, today it's Tuesday and we are going to split the group into 3 smaller groups. You have the group Experience and you have a group Video and you have an audio group, and I thought that I was going to pick Video, but I think I'm going to pick Experience because that is the thing that I have the least experience with, and that is actually what they encourage you to do something that you've never done before. We're gonna have a small lecture of our professor. He is called Kingsley, and yeah, we are going to have a small workshop, and after that we're going to do something very awesome. We're going to go on a boat ride on the lake of Zurich, and during that boat ride we are going to come up with our own art piece already. We are going to come up with something, and the next day we are going to present that with our group. So that's already very exciting. That's not the main thing that we are going to create here, but it's an exercise in how you create something in a very short time.
5 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Good morning. Ohio.
This is not for
chair or like table. I feel
You
like
wanna do something with the
like
chair?
in between the crossing and university, and when we were sleeping, and I will like sleep this kind of chair. And but I have ever experienced it just alone or together with friends, but this kind of gathering, and I have never. All of them are sleeping in this kind of chair or desk. So
okay.
it's like interesting for me. It might be interesting for me. Sure.
Yeah. So what would be like an instruction that we
Present, like how to say, this kind of how to say this kind of situation.
planking or something? Or like it's like very hard for your abs, I think.
Sit in a chair any way you wouldn't sit in a chair.
I like that. I like that.
Again, sorry.
Like to sit in a chair, but you can sit in a chair anyway, but a normal way to sit in
No.
a chair. Don't
Yeah.
sit in a chair normally.
Any position, but it's not normal way. Like
This is not a
not
normal
normal
way
way.
to sit on
No.
Yeah. And I think we can expand that also, like, where in the room do you put your chair? Also in a non-conventional spot.
We can turn off the lights.
Yeah, and maybe like somewhere in a corner, or like completely in the middle of the room, or like in a weird place. And also you can turn the chair in a weird position, or like when it stops, you have to sit in a chair.
But in the way, like in a way that
Yeah.
Or you make a posture and the change of the music. You have to change the posture.
But I like that everyone's in the chairs.
No, like everyone receives
Yeah.
the instruction.
And you can't move them, but
Yeah.
you have to find one.
Find a way to sit on it.
Yeah.
No, it's not
cool.
Okay, cool.
And then we would arrange the chairs like really odd, like some of them like that, or like stacked on each other. And the instruction is you have to find, or you have to take a seat, but you can't move the chair.
Well, you should
So
tell
you have
us. You
to-
should have let us do it.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to go out.
Yeah.
one particular song. I've forgotten
Should
it.
we say that once the music ends, you have to find a chair? Like that adds a little bit of
Yeah.
tension. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
And then do you have another song? Maybe we can like say now you have to switch or
I feel like we should just do one.
Yeah?
I
Okay.
feel like it's not much time as well.
okay. Okay. Shall I tell them that with the music?
Yeah. Or just tell them to come in and find a seat, I guess.
You can come in.
So, are you giving the instruction again? Or what?
Just pick a seat.
Take a seat.
But you can't move the seat.
But you
have to
can't
sit in
move the seat.
somehow. Okay.
We have the seat.
Okay.
Yeah. But you can't move them.
Oh my god.
Take a seat, but you can't move the seat. Hi.
Everyone has a seat.
Yay.
I thought this would be quite interesting if, like, say you have the instructions one after another, you sequence it in, like, say, 5 different times, and then we move according to the instructions.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought about that, but we just
Of
thought
course,
it might
yeah,
be a bit
but-
complicated.
Yeah. For now, no. But I mean, as a development, that could be quite interesting,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Thank you.
So everyone has to be on the move inside of this room. And the rule is you need to keep a distance from the other participants of this game. That's our idea so far. We were trying to make it more interesting, but we couldn't.
Yeah. Let's
So
give it a go.
yeah, so we can like perhaps give it a go. And the other rule, so there are 2 rules. One rule you set for yourself. The second rule is that you've got to be on the move throughout.
The other people that maybe we want the distance to be shorter or longer. Or we want to come or we want to have some distance.
Okay, let's try. Let's try. Guys. We don't have time. Okay.
Yeah,
So we
right.
begin.
It's like the introverts are on the outside of the roller ring.
So I see you trying to keep distance.
Okay, shall we pause here?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. One of the previous students also had a project of how to observe people's distance in the city. So when you're queuing at the bus stop, and like to be very exact of like, oh, this is like this area is the people's norm for social distancing, and in another part of the city or in other situations that's sort of the norm. So to make a kind of survey of what's the norm of social distancing, so there can be sort of an observation component to the work, and then the reenactments of it as well. But I think it's a really cool concept. But of course, it needs more development. Yeah. And social distancing is such a big thing, right? Of our collective experience over the past few years. Good. Okay. Last group.
Okay, the first instruction
Yeah.
is go to lunch now, and the second is
Your lunch has to have 3 colors, different
Oh,
Yeah.
3 colors.
yeah, in your lunch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Okay, so thank you very much. We will try this.
So did everybody sleep nice? Yeah.
Last night,
Yeah.
I couldn't even talk to my housemates. Like,
No.
Like, oh my.
You had the jet lag also, or?
I'm just generally tired after social setting.
Yeah.
I just get very.
It's like a lot, right? Yeah.
typically an introvert, so
Yeah, it's like a long day with meeting so many people. And what is your native language? English. Oh, really? Oh, okay.
if I'm growing up in the Philippines, even then it was still English.
Oh, okay.
But I did learn some Mandarin, like Chinese, in school. But
Ah,
I'm not
okay.
very good at it. So if there's other students, the Hong Kong and Taiwanese students, if they speak slower, I can understand them. Yeah.
Because I also have with days like these that you constantly, for me, that it's not my native language, so that's like takes more energy. Did you see the vlog where we talk German? I put it in. But I filmed the whole thing, and I was like, this is a pretty long segment and it's nice, but nobody is gonna understand it, so I had to put in subtitles, and that was so much work.
Yeah, I was wondering you edited so quickly.
Yeah, but I slept 5 hours because of that, so today, yeah, day 2, yeah. But today I don't want to film too much because yesterday was way too much. I have to edit everything. Stop over. What is the end stop called?
End stop is Bürkliplatz.
Burgleerplatz?
Can show you? Oh, no, I can't. Bürkliplatz, yeah.
Burgleerplatz. Like the Swiss have like a...
Yeah, and the Germans don't have it.
Yeah.
We say, for chemicals, we say Chemikalien.
Yeah, that's
And the
in
Germans say
Dutch.
chemical.
Dutch
Dutch
as
is
well.
same, right?
Yeah, chemicaliën.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah,
And it's like a Klingon.
yeah. And you have a hard r sometimes.
Yes, there's some dialects who
Yeah.
don't have it, but most people have always their.
Yeah.
But you don't have it.
Yeah, in Dutch also the r. Some cities do r,
Yeah.
but some other cities
Same
do
here.
r.
Like,
Okay, funny.
and there's some dialects in Switzerland that people really hate. So,
Yeah,
like you say, oh, this girl's really beautiful. What a
Yeah.
pity that she is from this region. So, there's only a couple of regions
yeah. Nice.
in the eastern part. So,
So this is Tom, right?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, for the vlog.
yeah.
Yeah.
Vlog. How's it going?
Yeah, good. Yeah. So yesterday I filmed way too much.
Of course.
So when I came home, I edited till 3 in the morning, and I was like, oh, this is way too much.
I only skipped through, but we can look at it together, and I can give you feedback from an editing point of view,
Yeah,
because I'm
yeah.
an editor, so
Yeah, I would love to. Yeah,
maybe at the end of the week we can sit together, have a coffee,
yeah,
and I can tell you what I feel. And
yeah, really nice. Because I totally I got this nice camera, but it's all on auto all the time.
you know, yeah.
I have known nothing.
What's happening?
We are filming each other.
Okay. You want
Filmception.
an insert?
Yes.
So shall I drink? Yeah.
Sure. Wait, how to take it?
Wait. You can actually say, okay, ready, set. So when you say set, you're already filming, and then you say action. So I can. Okay. What shall I do? Like open. Tell me what to do. Huh? Open and drink. Okay, so when you are running, you need to run and then you say action.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Shall I talk to him?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so say action.
Action.
Not you.
Oh, sorry.
Action.
You want action?
Yeah. That's
Yeah. How is it, the water?
wet.
Wet.
Yeah.
What grade would you give it?
I give it an A+ because of passion fruit.
Okay.
It was
Nice.
a bit unnatural, right? So
Yeah.
I do it more casual.
Like, how to, is it following?
There's two ways. You can follow me, but then I probably have to do it slower. Or you can, if I open it, you can let it go out of the frame. And then you could make a new frame and it would go into the frame. In order In order for the movie to look good, for example, this scene here, we would have to put up so many lights, and this is something that people underestimate. So we have to have a reflector here, but you can, just having one reflector, you know this dish that you can, it costs $10. It's just a dish that is silvery and white on one end. Just having that makes, for example, for you makes a huge difference.
I brought one with me, a tiny one.
Yeah, because then if you put that, you get a little bit of punch of light in your face, your eyes come out, so you don't need to spend a lot of money.
I also was confronted yesterday when I was editing everything with the audio. That I'm not using a mic or anything, but the mic is pretty good when it's just quiet. But when there is people like, I doubt if this conversation will be recorded well.
No, because it will, when there's a loud sound, it will go down. So you can also get some really cheap HF micros that can hide.
Yeah, I have those with my phone, but they are really bad.
Yeah, I use those for my most recent project. It's such like a weird, how do I describe it? Like a guerrilla effort. We got cars, and they're like our ones and those from friends, and we found friends. I found friends and asked them to just act on site. And they're not professional actors whatsoever, but I think they did a really good job at the end.
Very relative.
Yeah, commercials.
So like in the professional style, you always have one really good mic hidden. There's always one person with a boom. The boom is when you speak, the boom goes to you. When professional sound guys know the script, so they know when to. But then they would also maybe hide the mic here. So it's sometimes we have more than 5 mics, and then we use audio post production. But that still isn't good enough. So when you watch a Hollywood movie, most of the movies, everything you hear is being redubbed in the studio. So the actors come in and they do it again.
Wow.
For example, Nolan doesn't do that. So some people went to see Oppenheimer and they said, I don't understand it, it doesn't sound good. That's because Nolan says, I hate re-recording. The actors are no longer in the same space. The most expensive place in Monopoly is there. It's called Paradeplatz. It's where all the banks are. You cannot live there. Like if you live there, you're...
Don't drink coffee there.
But there's Sprüngli, which is the best chocolate.
Okay.
This is Paradeplatz. You see, this is the bank that has failed. This is Credit Suisse. These fuckers. This is UBS. They're different kind of fuckers. So this is where you get the best chocolate. I think. I mean, people might have. So today it might be worth to go in there and just spend like $10 but then you can never eat normal chocolate again.
Be in the vlog?
Sure.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. What is your name again? I forgot. Roma. Eric. Hi.
You're recording?
Yeah. We're at the lake. Most of the time I'm also just holding it carefully because it's a little bit too tricky to such an expensive camera. But like the look of all the buttons and everything is quite the same.
Oh yeah, I put on a protection film that will give it a kind of some clothes. It protects it and then changes the shade. Shit, I can't do this one.
What is this lens called?
I think it's one of the G Master lenses at 24 to 75 mil. Yeah, 70 mil with a variable focal. I mean, with a variable aperture.
So film is like your main study, right? Or
I write about films. I mean, I make films.
no, it was all oil painting, right? You started with...
I started off, painting oil paintings, and then I feel like it can't satisfy my literary side.
Yeah.
I want to write stories and tell stories.
Nice.
And I feel like film can give me the best of both worlds. I get to experiment visually with composition.
Yeah.
And I also get to tell the stories and entertain people, because that's what I think
Nice.
is very important in life. We need all to be entertained.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah. And I can't do this.
Do I have to do it? How is the filming going? Good? You are the director, right?
It's going great.
It's going great?
Super
It's going really great, eh?
Super toll.
Super toll.
Jawohl. That's great. Come to my boat. I can show you my boat. Let's go. This is my boat. It's Vandagai. It's super nice in here. Do you see the weather? Everyone's happy in here. So nice. So lovely weather. Everything, the lake, everything is more beautiful. I like it. Oh,
Just
it's a new person over here. It's the captain speaking. We're departing from the lake. So we're going for a round trip. It's the small trip. Welcome to the boat, everyone. Have a nice journey. Goodbye.
you still have some of that booze, or do you have it with you?
It's somebody's booze. It's the captain's snooze.
I forgot to record our whole meeting.
That's okay.
So we're gonna try now if the beamer works.
Yeah.
We went on the boat trip and we did a meeting and we had an idea, but we still don't have everything clear, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Nice.
It's Japanese. How come?
Yeah.
And Katie, I saw an XLR there, mono, and connect to two speaker.
Okay, cool.
You see this donut? I made this donut
In Blender?
Blender.
Oh
It
wow.
looks like the blender
It
donut.
almost destroyed my MacBook when I did that, so I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Cool.
Oh, but this is actually my old wallpaper.
How to read it, Casey? That.
It's like alphabet.
Oh, perfect.
I remember I had an app and it taught me, like through pictures, like that is because it has an umbrella on its head coming from the rain, and then
Oh, the
is like a yak,
adapter?
Yeah.
and then
Or the.
what else was
Oh, here.
that? It was like oh, I remember there was nu is he slipping on a noodle?
What?
What else? I can't remember. Oh,
Fun.
ko was like a fist for punching a knockout.
Oh,
What? So you know the Japanese?
I don't know Japanese. Yeah, Roo is like a kangaroo jumping.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now I need the SD card.
Okay.
So we need to stop filming.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. This is art. This means something.
Ik schaat in de torch. Dat is kunst hoor.
The music fits. It's this is it.
We have to get out at the next stop.
It would really be cool if we could get the fan.
Yeah.
So are we gonna still do the thing with the tables and the chairs? So the boat is going that way.
I mean, also thinks now maybe they should all be like sitting here, and then I should be whispering from behind, because then it's like in your mind, you know.
That is so sick. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, and I can stand behind the curtain.
Yeah. Ah, lighting is nice. I'll also go to supermarkets. Okay. Yeah. So we're all going home. Yeah. Okay. Well deserved home.
I want like the sunset behind. Cute.
Hey everyone. Today was a very cool day with the boat trip. Seeing the lake of Zurich was very awesome. I'm back in my room and I just had a very healthy salad because I've been eating so much unhealthy food for the last couple of days. Everything really quick, fast. Only getting in carbs, and I thought I need to eat a salad. Yeah, I'm going to edit the vlog now, and tomorrow we are going to present our experience. So that's gonna be very exciting. All right, see you tomorrow.